Okay guys, 2020 Tacoma TRD Off Road, rebuilt title, front end damage. It was fixed about a year and a half ago. We took it on trade, so it's been driven out. Brand new rims. This does have like a 6-inch lift on it. Looks like it's a ready lift. Stick shocks. Seat covers on it. Seats look good underneath there. VIN number. Power seats. Start it up here for you. $60,502 on the miles. Adaptive cruise and lane assist. All your different apps. Blind spot monitors, parking sensors, rear sliding glass. Does have wireless charging on it. Smart key there. This is how you know it's an off-road. It's got the locking differential and A Trac on there. Nice lifted truck for sale, guys.